masasabi mo sa billboard ni ano?
Sir Mario?
Follow-up lang.
Yes, Mario.
What do you think of Piolo?
Okay naman siya eh. Alam mo, secretly, I think he's taking substitute. Because he's a health buff. Diba? Tingin mo. I really think so.
But how do you regard him?
Okay naman sila. Nakikwento rin naman ni Casey. Hindi ka naman i-chismis na. Pero nakikwento naman niya na nagkakasundo sila. Tinatanong rin niya how he is. Hindi ko kilala si Piolo. Ikaw lang makakasagot niya. Nakikita ko lang siyempre yung nakikita na ibang tao. Siyempre hindi naman ako body-body sa kanya. No? Although hindi naman nalalayo yung edad namin. Pero sana.
Kasi
okay naman siya, okay siya. He goes to mass.
Nasabi kasi Gabs ni BJ, no, papasalamat siya dahil napakaganda ng pagtanggap niyo sa kanya.
Oo. Ano mo kung masabi kay Piolo kundi puro kaputihan?
Do you think Casey is happier now?
Well, she seems to be, oo. Wala man ako nakikita, except nung mga unang issues, no? Siguro na nabasa rin natin yun. Marami din ako mga issues tungkol sa kanilang nakikita, parang yung nababasa din ninyo. Pero siguro mas nakatuto kayo doon ako, hindi.
Okay. Ano lang mapapayo mo kay Casey as a father, no? About
madalas sinasabi ko sa kanya, just take care of yourself. Just be ready for all the negatives that can hit you. Baka may negative din dyan, so abangan mo yun. Be strong. Life is not a bed of roses. So just be ready. Kasi everybody is susceptible to intrigues. Yung personal ninyo, intrigue ninyo, may public pa kayo. Siyempre, may personal family, merong publicity. So, be strong. Ito lang sinasabi ko sa kanila. But be happy, sabi ko. Whatever you decide, I'll be there behind you.
You're supporting her?
Kahit na anong desisyon ni Casey, sinusupport ako.
Okay. Go back to Sister Jen. I heard this helps in weight loss.
It actually does. Kasi if you take Sister Jen, this is from my experience, you get satisfied. Kasi kung minsan ang tao, kain na kain, tapos before you know it, hindi ka pabusog, no, pag mabilis ka kumain. Pero kung dahan-dahanin mo, mapapansin mo na bubusog ka na. Uminom ka ng isang baso niya. Let's say gutom na gutom ka, uminom ka ng isang baso, bubusog ka.
Segue ko na, Gabs, I hope you don't mind.
Yes.
What do you think of Sharon Cuneta's coping with weight loss issues?
I think she's coming out with a new show, right? Nung araw ko pa sinasabi talaga, kung dadalhin ng ABS o kahit na sinong station ang Biggest Loser, kung sino man ang mag-host niya, ang gandang example. Kasi ang ganda ng mangyayari sa tao yun eh. She or he can be an example to those who want to lose weight. Hindi ko naman nakalain si Sharon pala ang gagawa. And that person can write a book. That person can write a menu, a cookbook, and show her followers, his followers, how he or she did it, and how she lost or how she gained weight, what to and what not to follow. Ang daming ang daming mga possibilities nung magiging host ng show niya. And now it's Sharon, so it's good for her.
Actually, I think she's getting there, no, to her objective.
I haven't seen her lately, pero nakita ko yung mga billboards and sa EDSA.
Final na ako. At what point are you in your life now, Gabs?
At what?
At what point are you in your life now?
In my life?
Are you happy? Are you very much in love?
Oh yeah, I mean, it's a different phase. I'm in a different plane. Hindi na katulad noon in the 80s, in the 90s. 2011 na nga. 2011. Pero wala akong, like I said, no, wala akong, I have everything to thank for and nothing to be sorry about, and nothing to complain about. I'm at that stage and I'm okay, content. Ayoko pang humingi ng kahit na ano pa.
Thank you
Hindi,
so much.
meron akong hihingin.
Ano?
Sana magdagdagan ng supplement ko ng Sustagen every month. Kasi kulang.
Okay, on a final note, congratulations. I heard about the results of your body challenge, and you came out
Yeah.
less than 40 years of your age.
Oo nga, I was surprised. I was very surprised. So, thank you. Less than 40 of my age.
Thank you so much. Okay, over here.
Hi again. What's in store for you this 2011? Any upcoming projects you're gonna do this year?
For sa akin ng ABS yung isang project, hindi ko muna tinanggap. So, concentrate muna ako sa mga shows, tsaka yung pagpo-promote ng Sustagen for this year. Yan ang aking show. Promo show. Sustagen. Iniintay ko yung tamang project. I want to take my time. Kasi pagpasok ng 2011, maganda yung ipapakita ko sa audience ko is a different role. Ayoko yung role na ginawa ko nung last time. Baka sabihin kasi pareho lang. Nung in-offer sa akin yun, parang nahawig dun sa huli kong ginawa. So, parang maiba lang. Sabi ko, let's wait for another more challenging role.
So you're still a kapamilya pa rin?
Oh! Wala pa na mga pagbabago. But life is a constant change, correct? We have to change to survive. And that's what you call that evolution. No? And if you take Sustagen, definitely you're in the right track. Masyado ng promo yung Sustagen. Next.
Thank you. Any more questions? Sir Gabby, challenge not just with the body age, but even with projects. Waiting for challenging projects.
Challenging
Okay.
projects, yes.
Any more questions?